What's up, guys? Welcome back. So I think we finally got some official Doctor Doom artwork. So let's draw it. It's close up on his face. It's kind of, some of it's like scratched out or like exploding or something. It's like a t-shirt print. But I think this is real. So let's go. Landscape page. So I'm going to start with his eyebrow shape, right? So it's kind of in the middle here. So we go curve, and then it swings around like a check mark and goes up. This kind of disappears under his hood at a certain point as well. But we'll just do this first anyway. Do the same thing on the other side, just keep it even. Kind of same level. And up that way. And like the hood cuts that off there. So this is like a plate, right? So it has a top part as well. So it'll go like that way. And then this way. So as well with metal plates, it's always useful to do this. This helps anything man-made, sort of metal-y. Just gives it an edge, makes it look 3D. And then he has loads of circles, loads of rivets, you know, metal studs on the mask. I am not familiar with Doctor Doom lore, I must say. I can't remember why he wears masks. Something to do with his wife or something, was it? I can't remember. But anyway, his eye shape down this way. That's all shadowed out. But I would imagine it just goes like up here, and then there's like a little shiny part that's like there, so. And we'll do the same thing over here. So we'll go down. And then we'll box it off. Looks like kind of Goku Super Saiyan eye shape. So we can't actually see human eyes in here. So we'll do that. So an eyelid line there. And then we'll just curve it. I think it just curves up. You can't see his tear duct or anything, so I think it just goes like that. Might be an eyelid line, maybe like some eyebrow showing under there. Not entirely clear, but it's kind of like that. So then he's just looking out from underneath the helmet. And he's looking like hyper aggressive. So it's just like a pupil in under there. And then same over here. Just like an eyelash line there. And then the bottom of his eye curves up that way. And you can see maybe an eyelid line. And maybe some of his eyebrow there. There's just like a dark hair sort of section, but I think it's eyebrow. What else would it be? And then iris. And pupil. I'm just thickening up this part as well because I made it thicker on the other side. Okay, so we have a line coming across the top of his nose. And then a line straight down the middle. And then nose armor. That's right, nose armor. coming out here. And then this comes up the side. And then it's all like a series of face plates. So this one comes down his cheekbone, kind of there, on the inside of his nose. And then I think it swings back around. So it goes like that. Okay. And then we have like an edge line here. And then another little bump for his cheek here. And then under his eye as well. And then we have some rivets. Rivet. So just these metal circles. And then it looks like there's another little piece of metal or something here. Not quite sure though. Maybe something coming down the nose. Okay, so his mouth is like framed in, it's like a centurion, like a Roman helmet, you know, Roman military helmet. Going this way. And then I think it swings back up under his sort of cheek. It's like his jaw goes up there. Yeah, it definitely looks Roman. For Rome. And then this goes down this way. And it's got an inside portion, so it's got like some metal sort of coming over each side. Like a little bit here as well. And then this has all circles, rivets, keeping everything attached. Down here. Right, so then we just get his chin in. So it's just this sort of shape here. And his mouth in here. So it's like, it looks like a speaker more than like lips or anything. So it kind of comes in here, goes up, same on this side, and then like swoops across. And then this looks like it has like an edge, not along the top lip, just like there in the corner. And then the bottom part, so it just comes across this way. And then it has all these little metal bits inside. So it goes like that first. And then there's something that comes across this way. All right. And then it just looks kind of black in there and then metal around it. So then he has like some lines on his chin. And then like maybe another here. Just like a light one. Nothing major. Okay, so that's the mask, I think, pretty much. So, well, actually, there's another 2 lines there. Okay, so all you got to do now is some hood and some shoulders. So, hood. Kind of swoops out here. And I think it just goes like down into his neck area that way. It's all dark inside here, but I'd say there's like, we could do some like folding lines and stuff just in around the back of his head, but it's mostly just black in around there. Yeah, it's just like dark in there. And then we'll just go for the edge of the hood. It has like a sort of an edge line coming around the rim of it. And then the top part, so going around here. And then it seems to just travel this way then. Real high up. So it's just like these sort of areas on it, and maybe some texture on it and stuff. And then like shoulders basically just kind of come off here, and you might have like some folds on his cape that's on his shoulders. You can't really see his neck because it's just like pure shadow all down there. But that's it. Dr. Doom. Dr. Doom's mask. I think it's official. I think this is what he's going to look like. I'm not sure though. It's hard to know these days. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.